there's a new secret AI image editing model that has taken the AI world by storm. It's called Nano Banana, and it is officially not released by anyone and is believed to be Google's new image editing model. Let's take a look at some examples and then try it out for ourselves. So first, this is from this ex-user Can064. I edited this image, said image the whole face of this person and create it. Left is my input, right is my output. Nano Banana gave me. So this is the input image, and this is what the output looked like. Let's take a look at a couple of other examples. This user on Reddit gave this input image and then tried both Quen image and Nano Banana, seeing both actually did fairly well with the prompt. I'd say that Nano Banana was a little bit more consistent, where Quen image edited up the image a little bit, which is interesting to see. And then finally, on this X thread by the proper prompter, I showed off a couple of examples. First, this video that he generated. I'm assuming he used Nano Banana as the base and then animated it with a different. For our first example, which is great to see, it is allowing celebrities and combining them both into one selfie, both looking very consistent. So image 3 here is the input image. This is the prompt. Place the creature roaming across a mountain region in the middle of a blizzard. Number 2 is context max. And then number 1 is Nano Banana, and very clearly Nano Banana keeps the same pose, but puts what exactly the user wanted in the new environment. Here's another cool one. Again, these two images were the input, and this was the output. Here's another one, editing. So changing pose and removing a hat. I do notice the necklace did change, but everything else stays relatively consistent, which is really great to see. Here's another one, changing out Superman and Batman. Changing a model's gesture. Another one again, changing the gesture of the character. And then taking the same person and putting them into multiple different contexts and keeping them consistent. I also like here this image that was also created. So yeah, very impressive. All right, so let's see what I came up with. So the only way currently to use Nano Banana is to go through Ella Marina, and you have to go under battles to be able to access it. So first I generated a person from thispersondoesn'texist.com, just pasted them into here and just started with add sunglasses. And I was lucky enough to get Nano Banana on my first try, and it added the sunglasses very convincingly. Then I said put him in a sunset paradise. Here Nano Banana actually came up and didn't include the character at all, so I wanted to try again. And luckily on my second attempt, Nano Banana did show up and did a great job. So then I took the same image and said put him in the streets of Manhattan when it's raining and a little snowy outside. And here was the first output from Nano Banana, which was good, but he seemed a little out of place. So I said give him a rain jacket and he should blend in more with the environment. This time I didn't get Nano Banana, so I just picked this one. I didn't think either of these were particularly great, so I tried it again. And this time I did get Nano Banana and did a really, really good job. This time he looks like he's in this photo, no problem. And I can see this blending perfectly. In the comments below, let me know what you're creating today with Nano Banana.